right, so there are all sorts of applications that require us to find the intersection of two straight lines, and that's what we're going to look at today. If we have two straight lines, what we need to find is the point that satisfies both of the equations. So we're looking for an xy pair that satisfies both equations. So let's take a look at example 1. We have the equation for two different lines, and we want to find their point of intersection. So we're looking for an x and a y value that lies on both of these lines. So if it lies on the line, we can plug in the x value and the y value, and the statement will be true. This equation will be true. Okay? So, all right, so we're looking for where the y values are equal, right? So if we just set the y values equal to each other, we can just say that x plus 1 is equal to minus 2x plus 4, and then we can find the corresponding x value, right? All we're doing is we're just saying that, okay, we know at this point the y values are the same. And then we can set the equations equal to each other. All right, so now we just have to do a little algebra. I'm going to probably want to add 2x to both sides, right? That allows me to essentially move this minus 2x to the other side. So I get 3x plus 1 equals 4. And then I can subtract 1 from both sides, right? And then I have 3x is equal to 3. And then if I divide both sides by 3, then I get x is equal to 1. Okay? So that gives me the x value. Now I need to find the corresponding y value that goes with that. And all I need to do is put it back into either one of these equations, and it'll give me the y value that corresponds with that x value. All right, so if x is equal to 1, then I can just plug it back into this equation here for y, and I get 1 plus 1 equals 2. So y is equal to 2. All right, so the point 1 comma 2, let me write it here, 1 comma 2 seems like it should satisfy both of these equations. It should lie on both of these lines. And we can always check it, you know, because we might have made a mistake. Who knows, right? So it's always, it never hurts to check. So how can we check this? Well, if I plug this x value and this y value into either one of these equations, I should get a true statement, right? So the y value is 2, and the first equation says y equals x plus 1. Okay, so x is 1, and then plus 1. Okay, that checks out. So then we can plug it in the other equation. Y is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to, I have minus 2 times x, which is 1, plus 4. So minus 2 plus 4 is 2, so that checks out too. So we have, we've shown that, yes, okay, that is the point of intersection for those two lines, is at the point, they intersect at the point 1 comma 2. All right, so I will meet you for the next example.